They rob every money that they can take. And we just give up and you can't send back these people home, man. Get it together, man. Do something different, my friend. I'm begging you.
A Jamaican immigration officer is warning the Jamaican government that with this rampant sped up, more speed, more faster, more pickup of more people, the Jamaican government need to start brace themselves for an influx of deportees back to Jamaica, because a lot of them that are going to be returned, they are unfamiliar to the country.
Trump has sent them at them yard and they want somewhere to stay until they start out themselves.
Welcome to this channel, guys. Donald Trump had promised to do mass deportations. At the time when he was saying that, some people took it as a joke, but now it is turning out to be a reality. And just the other day, several Jamaicans found their way back in Jamaica in handcuffs. These were deportees from the United States of America. I've specially compiled some videos of Jamaicans reacting to this from different angles. Let's look at the videos before come back for more comments. A plane load of Jamaican deportees landed in Jamaica, and the ones that are left in the US have gone into hiding.
People, we ask the Jamaicans over there right now, I cry out to Trump, a big Trump for mercy. Yeah, man, the thing I get serious.
Honestly, think about it for a moment. It's all about money. Money, money. Oh, this guy can give you $1 trillion. That guy can give you $1 trillion, billion. That's all you guys talking about. Money, money, money. What about us? Who got kids here, who got everything here, who build a life here and got nothing, because where we're from is like, you don't even can stand a night in where we're from to survive. Like, come on, man. What if we, the immigrants, go back home and get hostile towards your people in the country and said, no, America can come back to Jamaica, or no, America can come back to, come on, my friend. I'm just talking to you from a perspective from the most, what I go through in this country as an immigrant, fighting to be the right, fighting to do the right. Open up your eyes, my president. Do something better for the good ones. Some of us get entangled with some unfortunate situation and we end up can't get a paper. It's not, you don't want this type of bloodshed on your hand, Mr. President. Honestly, do something for the good ones, man. It's not every immigrant is bad, man. Some of us come to our country and some of us even can't read. But just because over here is full of so much legislation and so much things, we end up don't even get our green card because liars so lie. They rob every money that they can take. And we just give up and you can't send back these people home, man. Get it together, man. Do something different, my friend. I'm begging you. Hope this reach your ears in a better way than in a hateful way, and hope you can sleep on it. Because you're a church man, you talk much about God. God don't want this, my friend. If you're really for him, make it right with immigration, man. Set up a legislation for us back. The good ones.
Alright, so since Trump take office, the daily average arrest for undocumented persons is 782, right? Under the Biden administration, it was 285 per day. So Trump officials has put out a statement asking the people, asking ICE and the DEA for pump up the numbers. He says 782 is too low. He wants to do at least 1,200 to 1,500 per day. And with that being said, a Jamaican immigration officer is warning the Jamaican government that with this rampant sped up, more speed, more faster, more pickup of more people, the Jamaican government need to start brace themselves for an influx of deportees back to Jamaica, because a lot of them that are going to be returned, they are unfamiliar to the country. A lot of them have no house, no family, and a lot of stuff. So he's telling the Jamaican government to brace themselves. But me ask now, where the Jamaican government are going to put these people? If them now also go back to where the Jamaican government will get place to put them? I mean, you have to accept your returning residents, not returning residents. Your residents them, yes, but where are they gonna be placed? Which part? What name? Andrew Onis gonna put them. And as I said, he wants Donald Trump want number them for years from 782 to at least, so them have to make a quota. So you know, say them go outside more often, because you know how them go when time, police need to meet a quota. So you see them outside, I write up whole per ticket, all 1,000 ticket a day, because them have a quota to make. So this is the thing when I push forward now. So okay, 782 too low. We need at least 1,200 to 1,500 persons off the streets every day, and we know what got whole collateral arrests are gonna take place, as we have seen before right now, as we have seen right now. In the past 2 hours, the 28th, in the past 7 days, they have arrested 7,300 undocumented persons, and now they're heading towards. They're already in New York. They're currently in the Bronx. So you know, in time when they reach New York and them big cities, New York, Chicago, the numbers gonna rise. The numbers gonna go through the roof.
Guys, we need to talk about the trajectory between when people get deported, backyard, or they're mad. Like, I swear to God, it almost happened to me. You see, when I was in high school, they shipped me right back to Jamaica because they claim I was giving trouble. And, like, it almost mad me. Me not see my period that month there. Me almost licked my chip. And it's not like I was, like, officially deported and I couldn't go back. I knew I could go back, and me still almost got mad. So I can imagine the people them where them know, so them actually really can't go back. And something we mad for true, man. And something we mad for true, mad for true. Let me ask my little sister, because she also got shipped back. Kayla, come here. When them said about Jamaica, how did you feel? Best day of my life. If she said the best day, yeah. Because you know, so you coulda. Because she knows that she had to do that, she coulda travel back. But imagine if you couldn't go back, because you live the nice life of foreign. Oh, God. But blessings to all my brothers and my sisters out there who get deported, and them lick them chip, and them really are mad out.
Alright, people, I want to know if you look into this and tell me if I'm wrong. Because I don't know what could I go so. So yesterday I was on Instagram. Then, I see somebody call me. I refuse to answer because I do not answer to call I do not know on social media. The person lift and go over Facebook and go find me over there. And I call me, see me still not answer. So two them see the person call me again. So I say, alright, you know what, I'm go answer, because if I scam, nobody can scam me. Only to find out it's one of my family members. Now these individuals leave Jamaica from about 11 years of age, people. When I go primary, me and them people are good, we're close as family. And you want to tell me, say, yo, people, these people left, you know, and I never hear gunshot fire about these people until now. So by now, I'm supposed to know the reason why I'm calling my phone like this. Because Trump has sent them at them yard, and they want somewhere to stay until they sort out themselves. Now, people, it is no problem for me to help, but you what happened? There's a thing they call them principle. And family members supposed to look out for them one another and be there for them. These people don't remember me at all. And the thing is that, again, for all the people who know me, who can attest that, watch me always be there for people. I help a lot of people in this life. And majority of these people that I help, I never get a help from them yet. Now it's time to put some of the energy that we put in myself. You see it, because everybody just looking out for themselves. You see it, I'm not being harsh and I'm not disclosing any form of low frequency energy, but it is what it is. On your own. On be a man and get yourself out of the ditch. On put yourself in the America for years. And then think about building up a little ranch out here, set up somewhere for yourself, that in case you have to run, come back here. When you start out in the documents, they are work on a floss and go on like when I work, when I live the biggest life, and look on the situation when in and now.
Around 5,120, or to be precise, 5,120 Jamaicans are slated to be deported back to Jamaica. This number was part of the 1.4 million non-US citizens who have been noted down to be deported back to their countries. In the Caribbean, the Haitians are the ones leading with around 32,000 people to be deported back to the Caribbean, followed by the Dominican Republic with a number of 12,000, around 12,000 Dominicans. And the third in number is Jamaica with 5,120 people. So Jamaicans brace for more deportations. Jamaicans living in the United States, if you are there and your documents are not in up to the quality that they are required, know that the ICE would be coming for you. In the videos, there's one guy whom his relative went over to the United States long years ago, and they have not been in contact. And maybe he's one, or maybe he's among those who have already been deported, or he is among the 5,000 who are about to be deported back to Jamaica. And so he has looked for his relative, DM'd him, texted him, trying to contact him, and told him that he was looking for a place to be accommodated. There are some Jamaicans who are in the United States illegally, but they have been remitting and been in contact with their brothers and sisters back in Jamaica. That is so good. And for those, I think when they get back, they can have a place. But there are some who maybe might have gone there illegal through undocumented means, and while there, they might have got into trouble with the law. And with such kind of characters, and maybe back at home they don't have a place to say, it's gonna be hard for them. It's like getting back to your country, and at the airport no one is there to even receive you. You're just there alone. You are like in a jungle. You are on your own. And in some of these videos that these guys are reacting, you can see there's one person who's saying, who's posing the question, where will the Jamaican government contain them, or where will the Jamaican government place them? Yes, there are some who have a place to stay, but in terms of employment, if they are not financially prepared, or they are not psychologically prepared, where will they go? Because some of them maybe are from prison, or some of them maybe have some ailments or diseases that need some medication, and maybe while they were in the United States, they were receiving the medication, and now they don't have anyone to sort out their issues health wise. How are they going to survive? In one of the while I was going through the internet, one of the content creators was coming up with a solution that such kind of people should not just be assimilated directly into the society, because there are some who maybe they have been engaging in bad practices, and just getting them like that, they might resort to do the same. If they were if like they were robbers, they might just decide to go and practice the same in Jamaica. So he was of the idea that a special place should be put in place, so that in case something like a building with many floors, so that in case they can be coming, they might be sorting them out one by one and documenting them, and knowing what they can do, where they can be placed, and in case they have a place to stay, they can be directed. And also, such kind of people should be followed. Not all of them are bad, because there are some of them who, yes, they went there illegally or through undocumented means, but they are good in nature. You can see in one of the videos, one of the fellow is really crying out to Mr. Donald Trump. So the video, I'm not sure whether Donald Trump will get to look at it, because he's saying that for the good ones that have already started their families in the United States, they should be allowed to continue with their life. But I don't see, I think that will happen. And I'm so, the video is so painful, because the guy, the way he has spoken, he was emotional. to the point of crying, meaning is either one of the is either illegal or he feels for his fellow Jamaicans um, uh, who have who are there illegally and are about to be deported. So you have seen that the numbers will be like in the past during Biden administration, the number was around 200 who are being deported on a daily basis, and currently, as we speak, the number has gone up to around 700, and the number is expected to be pumped up more, with around 1,200 to 1,500 people will be deported daily. In the past, it is said that Jamaica used to receive around 1,000 deportees from different global parts. And now Trump, with his current executive orders, the numbers is going to go up. So one of the officials has told the Jamaican immigration department to brace for more people, and they should come up with some contingency approach so that they can receive all these guys. In one of the videos I saw, His Excellency Andrew Holness saying that such kind of people will welcomed and their skills are really welcomed back to Jamaica. But in the case of people who were like in prison, they don't have anything to go back in Jamaica with. That's gonna be so terrible. So guys, you can share your comment section below this video on what do you think about this whole situation. I know it's not affecting Jamaicans alone. Mexicans are crying. Some other Black Americans are crying, and it is so bad, especially to people who have been there for long years. They have established their families, and just in a nutshell, you are being told to go back to your home country. You can share down your comments about this whole situation. So this has been the video for today. Cheers, guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me the favor of subscribing, liking this video, and leave your sweet comments. Until next time, God bless.